Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add clock to Wallpaper Engine. The first thing I want you to do is just launch up Wallpaper Engine, come at the top, click on Discover, and I want you to just click here on Search. Now this is to get a pre-made template. I'll also show you how to get a custom wallpaper and add a clock to that. So for these ones, you just search up clock, hit enter, find the one you like. Let's say you actually ended up liking this one. You click on it, click here on subscribe, and then once this has been done downloading, you just go ahead and scroll down, click here on apply to all wallpapers, click here on OK, and then it will be applied as you can see right here. And if you want to do a custom one, just come here, click on Wallpaper Engine, come at the bottom left, click on Wallpaper Editor, and then I want you to come here, click on Create Wallpaper. Then from here, just choose your background image. I'll use this one. Click here on Open, and after that, click here on OK. And then what I need you to do is I need you to click here on Add Asset. From here, I want you to scroll down until you see clock. You'll see two options. You'll see this clock and a 3D clock as well. I'll go with this clock. I'll click here on OK, and it has been added. Of course, you can go ahead and stretch it out if you want. You can also adjust it like this as well. Okay, as you can see, you can also resize it as such. If you want to drag it, you can just click here and bring it anywhere you want. You can come here on the right hand panel, scroll down. You can use the 24-hour format, just keep this one toggled on, or you can toggle it off if you want the 12-hour one. If you want to show seconds, toggle this one on. If you want to change the color, you can come here and adjust the color from here as well. Let's go with a shade of purple. Then we'll scroll down again, and then you can also go ahead and add padding if you want. You can also come here at the top and change the font. Let's go ahead and change it to this one. If you want, you can add effects. You can come here, click on add any effect like this. Let's say you want to add a cloud motion. Come here, click on OK, and as you can see, there is a motion being added to that. And that is how you go about it. And then you can go ahead and just save your wallpaper, and you can go ahead and use this. Just come to the top left, click on File, click here on Apply Wallpaper, and you can come back to your desktop and see it right here. But that is how to add clock to Wallpaper Engine. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.